Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at H&M and I'm going to do a shopping spree. So anything cute I can find, I'm going to buy it. So right when I walk in, there's a lot of yellow going on, and I noticed this NASA crew neck sweatshirt. I love the color yellow, like it's so light. Like a light yellow. It's really pretty. And this hoodie is so pretty with all the tie-dye colors. I think I'm gonna get this because it's super cute. And then I'm gonna see what else is over here. I noticed this crew neck sweatshirt is so cute, and it has like a little bee on it. So I'm gonna find my size. And it looks like they have my size, and I'm gonna get this. And then over here, they have some more yellow things. I like this yellow jacket and this floral dress. I love this yellow top with like a little daisy on it. So I'm gonna see if they have my size in this. And they do, so I'm gonna grab this. It kind of matches my tie-dye sweatshirt, but of course you wouldn't wear it together, I don't think. So what else can I find? There's so many cute things. I'm gonna go back over here. I see this little Joshua Tree sleeveless muscle tee, but I don't really like muscle tees, but I like this sweatshirt. It's really cute with a little face on it. And then this shirt is cute with the tie-dye. I guess I just really like these colors of tie-dye with the yellow, purple, green. And this is super cute. I think I'm gonna have to get this one. And then up here, they have some more graphic t-shirts and sweatshirts. And look at the sweatpants. They're so cute. They match. Adorable. And then over here, they have this Ramones oversized t-shirt. And then they have another NASA, or no, this is SpongeBob. A SpongeBob oversized t-shirt. So, I don't know, do I want this? Yeah, I'm gonna grab it. And then on this side, we have these shorts. I think it's cute. They have this little saying on the bottom. It says Sunday Soul. So you can just lounge around in those shorts on a Sunday. I like this airbrushed kind of look, NASA crew neck sweatshirt. So I think I'm gonna get this. And then over here they have a Mandalorian Baby Yoda, and I just love Baby Yoda, so I'm gonna get that. And it's funny because every time I go shopping, everybody always comes over to the area I'm at. I don't know if they think I have good taste or good style or something. I really like this shirt, but they didn't have my size. Otherwise I would have got it because it's super cute. I love this pink and black flannel. Pink and black, I think, is so cute together. It's so chic. So I think I might get this pink and black flannel, and then they have some shorts that would match with anything really. But I don't really want those shorts. I like this shirt, little rolled up sleeves. It's so cute. Oh, they have this little overall dress. That's so cute. And they have more overall dresses up here. A little floral top, button up. And let's see. I like this hoodie. It says Heaven Sent. That's so cute. I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna find my size in these black jean shorts because those will go perfect together. So in the back, they usually have some more graphic t-shirts and sweatshirts. So that's where I'm gonna head right now. I love this Mickey Mouse sweatshirt and it's such a cute color, so I'm gonna get that. And I love this Rolling Stones t-shirt because I love the dusty rose color it's in. So I'm gonna look for my size and get this. And then over here they have some more graphic t-shirts. Look at that Friends sweatshirt, it's so pretty. And then the Rolling Stones cropped hoodie. C'est la vie, that's super cute. So far I'm spending way too much money, so I might get this t-shirt, but I think I'm about done almost. So over here they have this sweatshirt. It says West Coast Surf Club, and I love anything about surfing, so I'm gonna grab this. So whenever I'm in California, I love to watch the surfers on Manhattan Beach. So many cute things, but I think I'm done with my shopping spree. So right now I'm just gonna look around and see what else they have, but I'm gonna hope I don't find anything else. This hoodie catches my eye. It says Soho, and that's short for South Houston in New York City. South Houston Avenue, I think it is. So many cute things at H&M. But I think I need to get out of here and pay for this stuff before I spend any more money. So I hope you like seeing my H&M shopping spree. I'm sure to go back. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.